好，歡迎大家返到嚟。我哋今日嚟講 SBA。我相信大家呢一排都應該要做 SBA，所以今日我哋一齊嚟傾傾 SBA 如何做。咁第一樣嘢先講準備部分啦。咁睇返教師手冊咧，你哋學校都應該會拍一本書仔，同埋裡面有啲問題去幫你做呢個 SBA 嘅。咁就簡單啲講，就係做你本 notebook 啦，填裡面啲 content，盡力填，唔得就查 GPT 啦。AI 都冇問題嘅，最緊要放嗰啲嘢啫。咁我唔知你學校揀即係嗰啲 non-print text，即係所謂嘅電影同埋 print text 有冇限制啦。不過咧，我哋呢度都會俾啲選擇同建議你嘅。咁好快講一講啦。咁你最好揀嗰啲電影或者本書係有啲教育意義或者有啲道德背景嘅，例如綠皮書啦 （Green Book） 啦。咁就唔好淨係揀啲好睇嘅嘢，例如《復仇者聯盟》咁。呢啲 hit 電影就係純粹好睇啫，特效好勁，但係就冇乜嘢講嘅。咁呢度咧，我就推薦咗啲電影啦，去俾你揀嘅。咁第一樣嘢就係 Green Book 啦。咁我個人嗰陣時做 SBA 都係做呢個嘅。咁我覺得呢條嘢係特別好睇嘅。咁我就講少少黑人歧視啊各方面嘅，咁就好有深度嘅。咁你會好多嘢講。咁我就個人最推薦呢個嘅。咁 Coco 啦，我相信大家都睇過啦，就係講音樂啦。咁講一啲比較即係童話少少嘅主題啦，咁都 OK 嘅。如果你想做嘅，咁 The Intern 咧就係講一個老人家啦，唔知點解跑咗去做 intern 嘅，咁都係有比較特別有趣嘅，咁都有啲嘢講下嘅。Hacksaw Ridge 咧個人就冇睇過嘅，不過都好似有啲背景嘅，不過就唔係咁建議啦。Wonder 咧就係講一個小朋友啦，佢俾人歧視啦，咁都係呢啲好正常嘅一啲學校題材嘅，咁你中意就揀啦。咁如果要揀一啲 non-fiction 嘅書咧，咁我個人最推薦就 Atomic Habits 啦。咁呢本書應該就比較出名嘅。咁呢本書就係教你養成一啲好嘅習慣各方面，咁就好多嘢講嘅，好多嘢學到嘅。咁會非常之方便你做 SBA。咁裡面啲語言都唔係太難嘅，你會比較易理解嘅。咁下面嗰兩本書一樣啦， Rich Dad Poor Dad The 40 Laws of Power 都係比較易睇嘅。咁如果要揀一本 fiction 咧，嗱呢個我就唔係好推薦。不過如果夾硬要揀咧，就係呢度啦，咁有本 Animal Farm 啦，同埋下面嗰兩本 The Great Gatsby 同埋 Lord of the Flies， 咁真係唔係好推薦。不過如果想揀都要揀。咁呢一部分咧就係純粹就係補充翻少少你本即係 notebook 可能裏面冇嘅嘢嘅。咁呢啲嘢咧就係睇下就算啦。我唔知你學校點安排，不過作為建議，我希望你可以摸下，僅此嘅啫。咁第二部分啦，我相信你本書裏面都會要求你填晒啲基本嘅資料啊，邊個寫嘅，叫咩名，係咩類型嘅書，有啲咩背景啊，或者點解揀嘅。咁 summary 啦，都好基本㗎啦，一啲基本資料啫。咁 personal reaction 呢一部分咧，我就覺得如果你覺得有用，你可以加下嘅。咁 analysis 呢一部分就好比較緊要啲嘅，我覺得。writing style 咧可有可無啦，但係 character development 好緊要嘅。即係講緊啲角色成長啊，各方面，咁呢啲嘢先係你個 group interaction 嗰啲題材嚟㗎嘛，咁呢度先係有嘢講嘅。咁 themes and messages 啦，一啲背後嘅嗰本書想講嘅一啲意義啊，或者啲道德背景、道德教育，咁呢啲嘢先係你真正嘅 group interaction 先會有嘢傾嘅。咁 symbolism 啦，好簡單啫，一啲 symbols、metaphors 應該都好明顯嘅，一啲象徵嘅。咁 strengths and weaknesses 啦，我覺得呢個係一個比較有趣嘅地方可以講嘅。咁 connection to other works or experience 啦，呢個部分就唔係超緊要，不過 personal reflection 咧就好緊要嘅。Share how the book has changed your perspective or made you think differently about topic。我係一個建議嚟嘅啫，應該唔使點諗嘅。7嘅話咧 open-ended question， 我相信你學校會俾埋你嘅。recommendation 咧就呢個好緊要，其實都一推薦俾某個人睇咧，我覺得呢個都係一個好常問嘅問題，你有機會用得到嘅，咁你可以認真睇一睇。咁呢個就係 non-print text movie 啦，其實同上面嗰個類近嘅，上面嗰隻書嘅啫，呢個係電影，咁好快俾你望一望啫，咁就其實分別唔大嘅，因為書同電影啦，conflict 呢個部分特別啲嘅，嗰啲矛盾啊，咁你套電影嘅劇情其實大部分都係源自一啲矛盾，一啲即係點講角色對沖嘅關係咯，咁你先會有角色成長啊各方面嘅，咁先會好睇嘅套電影。咁呢部分係可以特別記低嘅，甚至嗰啲 resolution、impact of the conflict 咧都比較緊要嘅。 咁 personal reaction 同上面一樣啦，咁都幾緊要嘅。analysis 呢一部分就同上面都係一樣啦，比較特別嘅。connection to other works or experiences 啦，隔離講可有可無。discussion questions 啦，咁呢一部分係重要嘅。recommendation 都係重要嘅。咁又係重複多一次啦，呢部分係純粹 for reference 嘅啫，因為我係唔知道你學校係點安排呢件事嘅。不過呢部分咧，最好你可以做一做嘅，或者你跟住做一做都 OK 嘅。咁今日我哋主要 focus 係點樣做 group interaction，因為唔想段片咁長啦，比較快，咁我淨係教你做 group interaction 啦。咁如果你想喺即係呢個 group interaction 做得好咧，咁我希望你哋可以盡量練一練點樣講下啲英文啊，即係讀多啲，講得順啲。其實唔使講啲好深嘅字嘅，最緊要聽到好順嘅，咁你老師就有原因去幫你加分啦，各方面嘅。咁就喺你 HKDSE 嗰15% 啦，加多啲分，咁都好緊要嘅。咁呢度就有啲 sentences 去幫你啦。咁如果你 start 你嘅 discussion 咧，即係 good morning 啊 ，good afternoon 啊，我唔知你朝早定晏晝做啦。咁你就講呢句子嘅。咁你就講喎，舉個例，我哋今日嘅 topic 係講 Green Book 嘅。咁we will convene to discuss Green Book in detail， 或者 let us dive into today's topic in detail。Let's delve into the topic of 乜乜乜 and examine it thoroughly。We will be unpacking 乜乜乜 step by step in today's discussion。跟住 let us turn our attention to 乜乜乜 for a detailed discussion。咁如果你可以揀你嘅組員咧，我相信應該可以啊。咁我相信你哋都應該傾一傾定嘅，即係夾好晒㗎啦。即係邊個講啲乜嘢啊，邊個開始啊，就唔好搶 point 講啦。咁如果你哋冇得揀組員咧，咁我唔該你哋就主動啲啦，即係 aggressive 啲啦，因為 DSE 好緊要，冇再講禮讓啦。即係你啲分數係唔會同你講笑嘅，分數係唔會做朋友嘅。你要盡力幫自己攞最多嘅分數。咁下面一句啦，就係我哋講嘅 catch ball 同埋 throw ball 嘅。咁接波咧就係你會有機會接波啦，人哋講完啦，咁你就會先講一啲講你同意定唔同意啊，或者一堆嘢啦，即係你會佢同意個 point 唔同意個 point，咁你就可能 acknowledge 一下，即係 refresh 人哋講嘅嘢嘅。咁人哋可能講咗好大輪嘢，咁你就如果有能力嘅話，就總結一下人哋講嘅嘢，跟住再講你自己個波 point 之後。你講完你個 point 啦，咁你就拋翻個波出去問個比較 general 啲嘅問題。咁呢度 throw ball 啦 ，after of 好明顯 after finishing your point 啦，throw ball 咁就 what do you think？ 跟住盡量唔好講呢句啦，呢句其實成日講嘅，大家都講咧會比較沉咯，會好悶咯。不過如果你真係諗唔到咁咪 what do you think 咯。咁你可以試下講啲其他嘅，例如 what are your thoughts？Do you agree？Are we on the same page？Do you see eye to eye with me？Happy to hear your thoughts on this. Any other points you would like to add？ 同埋要留意到咧，問問題咧，其實你個尾音係要拉高嘅。例如 What do you think？ What are your thoughts？ 聽落去咧就冇咁激嘅，聽落去比較舒服同埋溫柔少少咯。如果你個唔拉個尾音咧，就比較惡咯。咁就呢啲一啲細節咯。咁啲 question 咧順帶一提啦，都係比較 general 嘅。咁如果你夾咗咧，你就可以問啲更加深入啊細微嘅問題嘅，咁你組員就易答啲嘅，咁就簡單啲嘅。咁你盡量就如果夾好就問啲深啲嘅問題啦，即係問好啲 point 夾好晒，等佢講得舒服啲，咁就可以講得更耐啦。咁通常呢個小組都應該大約12分鐘嘅啫，不過視乎人數嘅，咁你哋自己再教啦。咁 catch ball 咧就 respond to others point 啦，咁同我上面講嘅一樣啦。咁你就好快 agree 一次啦，或者 disagree 啦，咁就 quick agree 咁就我講 absolutely。Definitely, undoubtedly, precisely。咁你盡量 catch ball 或者 throw ball 咧，你都聽落去好有精神，同埋你望落去好似你好想喺度聽佢講嘢嘅。我知其實你哋係完全唔想做呢件事嘅，但係為咗 DSE 你都擺出一場好嘅演技啦，擺出一場好戲，扮到你好興奮、好開心喺度。咁咪講 absolutely, definitely 咁 agree 嘅話就 I'll go along with you on that. That's a great idea. Your idea is spot on. I'm on board with that.咁 disagree 嘅話咧，咁呢啲就比較深噶啦。不過其實最簡單就 I don't agree with you 咯。不過呢度咧，我盡量希望可以講到呢啲嘢嘅。咁我一句一句解釋啦。上面嗰啲其實全部都係 agree 嘅意思啫。I understand your interpretation, but I have a different point of view 係咩意思咧？即係我明你嘅睇法，不過我有另一個睇法。咁呢4句其實都係呢個意思嘅啫。 咁具體啲字咧咩意思咧就今日唔係好夠時間，純粹講啦。咁就其實基本上就我明你嘅睇法，不過我另一個睇法。咁 ask for clarification 呢度咧就比較特別嘅，咁我就唔希望你係需要用得到㗎，因為你哋應該係教好咗嘅。但係如果真係你哋唔係教好嘅，隨便抽組員咧，咁你如果真係唔知佢講緊啲乜嘢咧，你係可以問佢嘅。I'm sorry, do you mean 乜乜乜啊？I beg your pardon 啦，即係你可唔可以講多次咁樣？Do you mind elaborating on that 嘅意思就係你可唔可以再講多少少啊？咁 could you be more specific 咧就係講得更仔細少少啦。咁 I'm not sure I understand. Could you rephrase that？ 咁就係我唔係好明啦，你可唔可以重複講多次嘅？咁呢一部分咧，如果係你真係 clarify 啊，咁你 clarify 完咧，咁你就盡量唔好再俾翻個波佢噶啦。如果你嗰啲係唔教好嘅，咁你可以點嘅？你可以點咧？你可以 I'm sorry, do you mean 一嚿嘢？跟住咧即刻答翻自己if yes， 咁你就講你個 point 啦。跟住我到翻個 catch ball 嗰個階段，最尾有 throw ball 啦，咁就應該唔會太複雜嘅。咁 transition 咧就係一個 point move 一個 point 啦。咁呢度啲句子啦。Now that we've covered 乜乜乜 quite extensively, let's move on to the next part。跟住啦 ，It is good that we've managed to discuss a lot about 乜乜乜 topic 啦，跟住就 move on 啦。跟住就 Let's move on to talk about 乜乜乜。跟住 I think it is time to consider 乜乜乜。咁最尾啦，我哋講埋少少 conclusion 啦。咁一句夠噶啦，因為你唔會再重複講嘅啫。咁你就可以講as time is running short, shall we make a quick conclusion？ 咁你盡量咧就睇住你個時間嘅。咁視乎你個人數，你個老師會同你講噶啦，幾多分鐘。咁如果你見時間差唔多完咧，咁你就可以衝出嚟講個 conclusion， 或者你夾好咗俾邊個講 conclusion 嘅。咁最好嘅做法就係將每個人講嘅嘢都 rephrase 一次，大概啦，即係你都知你哋10幾分鐘嘅嘢講得好複雜，咁樣就每個 point 都講下大家講咗啲乜嘢，最好就可以咁做。咁你教好咗，我相信你都可以背定晒呢啲嘢，咁就問題不大嘅。但如果未教好咧，盡你嘅能力講啦，我相信都比較困難㗎啦。不過呢一橛咧盡做又唔係必須要有嘅，不過就有係唔錯啦。咁呢份嘢我擺喺 comment 度啦。咁今日就係咁上下啫。咁之後會再推一個講 individual 嘅呢個 presentation 嘅。咁今日就主要 focus on group interaction。咁如果有問題都可以留低 comment 嘅。咁就係咁上下啦。拜拜。